Good morning friends. Today it's 27th of March 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Yesterday it was mentioned that any kind of gap up opening can be looked as an opportunity to take some profits, as we are expecting that things are overstressed and the indices can retrace back to retest the support levels. In line with expectations, Nifty opened almost 50-60 points up and thereafter gave up the gains and slipped down almost 200 points and ended the session at its lows. Nifty future ended at 23,521 levels, down minus 0.77%. Today being the monthly expiry, we are expecting index to open flat to slightly negative. The pullbacks towards 23,600, 700 odd levels on the higher end will act as a strong resistance for intraday. And on the lower end, we are expecting that the index can test the supports of 23,400 and lower thereafter. So overall, it will be a range-bound session with slightly pressure at a higher levels, and sell-on rise can be looked as an outlook, keeping the stop over and above 23,750 odd levels, expecting lower levels to be tested in days to come. As per the monthly OI data, the maximum call build-up is at around 24,000 strike price, while the maximum put build-up is at 23,000, and the current price is almost at mid of this range, which indicates that the upside is capped, but downside is also has support on the immediate basis. In respect with Bank Nifty, we have seen a strong resistance at around 52,000 mark in last couple of sessions. 52,000 had been a positional resistance zone as mentioned by us since last few weeks, and we have seen that yesterday Bank Nifty futures made a high of 51,958 before slipping down to 51,161, almost 800 odd points from the highs, and it ended at 51,273, down 0.76%. There the major support, short-term support for Bank Nifty will be at around 50,500 to 50,000 zone, and as mentioned, resistance remains at around 52,000 for the day today. 51,500, 51,750 can be looked as a fresh count trading short zone, keeping a stop over and above 51,800 levels, expecting lower levels to be tested. 50,750, 50,500, these are important support levels for next couple of sessions on the lower end. As per the OI data for Bank Nifty monthly, maximum call build-up is at around 52,000, 53,000 strike, while the maximum put build-up is at 49,000 and 50,000 strikes. So as per the OI data, it looks as if 52,000 is going to act as a tug of war. Since it's a monthly expiry session, we are expecting that 50,000 can be looked as a major support. In any kind of substantial dip in the intraday can be looked for buying, while initially pull back towards 51,700 odd levels can be looked for contra trading short bets. Net we have seen a decent up move in both Nifty and Bank Nifty in this series in the second half of this month, and things are overstressed. We are expecting a consolidation come retracement of indices and the correction. So one need to be very stock specific in fresh long bets. Let the market cool off and consolidate to an extent. Thereafter, a fresh risk reward ratio can be looked into for going long in the market. Till then, look for
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.